Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 2nd of February. So we said that the FTSE had broken out of its resistance area yesterday and had hit our first targets, which was in that sort of 75.87 to 97 zone. So we said we needed to break that area to see moves towards post-COVID highs at 627 to 637. If we held that as resistance, we could look for some better support zones down lower at 75.26 to 36 and 74.20 to 30. So let's go and see what happened in the FTSE today. So as mentioned in the report, the FTSE is a little bit choppy at the moment. We did push up into this resistance zone. And we actually broke above it. We broke above it here, and we held it on a retest here. So this here is a potential breakout retest scenario for a nice trade. If you wanted to target up towards here, then this trade would probably have been stopped out now for a sort of break-even trade. You'd be wanting to risk manage this. And probably would have got stopped out somewhere around here when we've broken below the zone. So, but you could have got sort of one nice 1 or 2 to 1 R out of that. And when price is a little bit choppy, you really do want to be making sure you're keeping that risk tight as well. So we're just chopping around this zone at the moment, this 87 to 97 zone. So we'll see how the market finishes today, what happens overnight with the US session, and then we'll reassess in the morning. But that's probably the only real opportunity there. And as I say, when the market's a little bit choppy like it is at the moment with the FTSE, although it is bullish overall, we want to be looking for buy opportunities more than sell opportunities. Then the opportunities are a little bit more harder to come by when the price action is a little bit choppy. So let's go and see what happened in the DAX today. Okay, so for the DAX, we said that it hit its first upside targets as well after breaking out from resistance yesterday. We said if we can gain acceptance above 725 to 45, then the bulls are back in a driving seat. If we hold 725 to 745 as resistance, we still have yesterday's breakout area around 570 to 590 as potential support. So let's go and have a look and see what happened in the DAX today. Okay, so as you can see, price action's a little bit choppy on the DAX as well. So we broke up, we pushed back down, we pushed below this zone here. Then we got a sort of false break signal whereby we got a really strong push up. We did sort of start looking for a trade around this zone, but we couldn't make anything really. Couldn't make sense of anything where we had good risk to reward. There was a potential for a long here with a tight stop, but a tight stop here had the potential to just get chopped out. Because of the market, the way the market had been. And also we was trading just below this resistance area, so it would have been a risky long anyway, so we didn't actually trade that one. And as you can see, price came down and it retested. So I think this zone may have to be adjusted down a little bit tomorrow, just because of this price action over here and here that has shown a support today. But other than that, there was no real opportunities. We had a breakdown below this zone. We've had a retest of it here. So that's a selling opportunity. There was actually one really good textbook sell opportunity. Let me just go and show you that. If you want to take a print out of this, this is like your carbon copy textbook reversal. We've got a resistance zone whereby we said it's a really key resistance zone. The bulls need to break above there for the market to turn bullish. So it isn't it by that it means that the bears are likely to defend. You can see here they've defended it once already here, once already here, and once already here. So that's 3 times at a clean resistance zone, a clean resistance level within the zone, at the top of the range, at the top of inside a really key zone. We then push up. We've taken out those highs. We've grabbed that liquidity that we always talk about, and then the entry is back below that zone. So that's a really nice reversal pattern there, which saw this move down. So if you want to get a textbook pattern, print it off, keep it next to your desk to look at the patterns that you really should be looking to trade. Go and take a look at your DAX 5-minute chart, print that off and keep that next to your desk. So I hope you found this useful, guys. We'll, as I say, we'll assess the markets in the morning, see what happens in the rest of the US session. We do have quite a lot of news out for the rest of the week, so we do need to be careful of that. We've got the Bank of England rate announcement tomorrow at 12 o'clock. We've got the ECB announcement at 12:45, and then their press conference at 1:30. We also have non-farm payrolls on Friday at 1:30. So a lot of news coming out over the next couple of days, so just be careful. Price can be a bit choppy, can sometimes be a bit stagnant and not do too much. So let's have a look and see. But yeah, be careful with your trades over the next couple of days, just because of all that news that's coming out. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.